Hi, my name is Mehedi Hasan Sajed. I come from Bangladesh. My 24 older year. My position are aircraft cleaner. I'm energetic, sincere, hard work, honest and helpful. I have a lot of experience 2 years in Dubai. I am working in cleaner company. My qualification is higher secondary, Pentagon Degree College completed 2016. So and when I completed IELTS course completed. My skill is I computer operating and Microsoft Word still I typing better and I talking three languages, Bengali, English and English. Thank you for watching for video.